hit the wrong button. Monday, August 19th, 2024. Got my welder over here. Swarm video. I got to figure out how to turn this on and off. And here's the end that goes bang, and then there's like a clampety end. There's Jed Clamp It right there. We got Jed Clamp It right here. That's for the down low, the down, that's the ground side. I just want to get outside the door. I do have a project to weld. I got this, my little parrot vise. I've had it for a few years. Kind of getting dinged up a little bit. I don't know. It looks like it blew out a chunk off of the corner of that. I don't know when I did that, but apparently Chinese made stuff is, well, yeah, that's how it is. So today, you notice anything about this vise in particular? Doesn't have a bar through it anymore because I was adjusting it and I turned it and I let go of the handle and it popped the end right off. So that's how that thing was stuck on there, and it popped right off. Yeah, China. So I reckon that's going to be my first project. I'm going to hook the clamp up to this here and see if, oh wait, there's another plug there. What's that for? Oh no, that's the end of that one. Oh wait, there's two guns in there? This one's a piece of crap, he said. There's another. I got to figure all this out. I don't have a manual. If anybody has a manual for one of these, want to send it to me, that'd be awesome. Alright, I found the power switch. Power, says right there, power on and off. So that's where you switch it on. Alright, so now I can plug it in. Here, let me put my, wait, I got to get the vise. You don't want to weld this without the vise being on it, because that's going to be a no-no. Alright, let's weld, let's push it, plus plug this thing in here. Where's the, alright, first we want to enliven the switch. Alright, I think that's on. Alright, now we want to plug in. Let's see, where'd the end go here? Oh, here it is over here. Alright, so now we want to plug El Pluggo into the wall. Alright, everything's going swimmingly so far, no fire. Sure what that's for. Oh, that might be for the other. That's a hookup into the machine that's not hooked up. Alright, so I'm going to take this outside, put it on the ground, put our clamp on here, and I got my best welding socks on, so that's good. Alright, so I cleaned the end of that thing up. It was pretty snotty looking, so I think that'll be good. Alright, let's hit the power button, see what happens. Fans come on. Seems like it's running. I got my welding helmet on here. I'm ready to go. Let's do this thing. Got my unit there to weld. I don't know if my other camera's on. So yeah, the welder welds up pretty darn good, I think. What camera to camera looks like. Is that weird? I don't know. I just did it. But yeah, not bad for my first weld. Grinder is my friend. Let's test her out. See how she works. That's how it fell off before. I just let go of it and I looked, there's no handle on there. So yeah, I got her moved over there. Got it plugged in. Got it working. I guess I don't need to leave it plugged in. But it works. I can weld junk.